Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Windows applications are suddenly crashing and giving you the Microsoft Edge WebView2 Runtime error code 193, this specifically means a core background file is corrupted and is no longer being recognized as a valid Win32 application. I will show you exactly how to repair the runtime and fix your registry right now. Let's get started. First, the easiest way to fix a corrupted runtime is to use the built-in Windows Repair tool. Click your Windows Start menu, open your main settings, and click on Apps on the left panel. Select Installed Apps, scroll down the list until you find Microsoft Edge WebView 2 and click the three dots next to it. Select Modify, click Yes on the security prompt, and then hit the Repair button to let Windows automatically download and replace the broken Win32 files. Next, if the repair tool fails to run, a Stuck Registry Key might be blocking the process. Click your Windows search bar, type Regedit, and open the Registry Editor as an administrator. Carefully navigate to the exact registry path provided in the video description. Right-click on that specific numbered folder and select Delete. This forces your system to forget the broken, stuck installation of WebView 2 so we can properly install a brand new copy. Finally, now that the corrupted beta is cleared, open your web browser and search for Download Microsoft Edge WebView 2. Click the official Microsoft developer link and look for the Evergreen Standalone installer section. Download the correct version for your system, usually x64. Right-click the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator. This will completely reinstall a fresh, working copy of the WebView 2 runtime, permanently resolving error 193. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.